Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make eggless tutti frutti cake. You guys have been requested, a lot of you guys has been requested to make eggless cake, and here it is right now, tutti frutti eggless, and it is so yummy, quick, easy, and ingredients required. Okay, let's start here. In this bowl I have all-purpose flour. I have already added my salt, baking soda and baking powder. If you're using salted butter, then don't add the salt. And then we also need vanilla extract, we need whole milk, and I'm using unsalted butter softened at room temperature, tutti frutti, powdered sugar, and now I'm using sour cream. This can be replaced with just plain yogurt, and I will suggest to use a thicker yogurt if it's possible. If not, then use any plain yogurt you have. So sour cream gives the eggless cake a very tasty, great taste and flavor. So I will suggest, if you have sour cream, please use that. If not, then use plain yogurt. I'm not using any machine to prep, nothing today. I'm just using hand whisk and a bowl. So I'm gonna start with butter, powdered sugar. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my hand whisk, and then I'm gonna keep mixing until everything combined, and also the texture is like creamy, light color, pale color. Okay, so you can see the texture now. Look how it looks like. Okay, now you can see the texture is looking creamy, pale color. If you want to do this by machine, just use a machine because you need muscle. My arm is tired. So now I'm gonna add vanilla extract. Eyeballing. You can add between 1 to 1.5 teaspoons. Add the sour cream or the plain yogurt, milk, and then mix. Put this on a side, and now flour, baking powder, salt and baking soda is going to be mixed roughly. You can sift all of them if you want to, but it's gonna do the same job. Now I'm gonna take like couple tablespoons of the flour mixture, and then I'm gonna mix in the tutti frutti, so that way in the cake they will span everywhere, they will be everywhere, they're not gonna be one place when the cake bake. And now the flour is going in, maybe 2 to 3 batches, and then mix. And now I switch with the spatula just to give everything a good mix before we add the tutti frutti. And now it's time to add the tutti frutti, and then now I'm just gonna mix until combined. I'm not gonna over mix. In the meantime, my oven is already preheated, 350 Fahrenheit, and I have already greased my loaf pan with oil, sprayed oil, and lined with parchment. Into the cake pan, smooth up everything, and now this is ready to go bake. I'll show you once this is done how it looks. My cake is ready, and it took me exactly an hour to bake, and it can take you between 55 minutes to an hour and 10 minutes. Mine took me just an hour. So it's still hot. The pan is hot, so I'm just gonna wear gloves and run the knife all around the cake, and then let's flip it over. All right. cake is hot, but it's so moist at the same time. You guys can, I don't know if you can see, but come close and see how spongy, how soft is a cake. And I do want to cut it and show you inside as well without using any machine. Tutti Frutti cake. I would suggest to wait before you cut it. Don't cut it as it is hot. So hot, so hot. Okay, so now you can see how the Tutti Frutti went everywhere in the cake instead of staying one place. That is because we add a little bit of flour to the Tutti Frutti and mix, and this is what happened. Hope you enjoy this video with me. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.